As with most products, there are some basic measurements required when trying to identify a suitable padlock. The first of these measurements will be the padlock size, or body width. This relates to the measurement across the width of the body. In this case, 60 millimeters of body width. This would be referred to as a 60 millimeter padlock. The next size we need will be the clearance width. This refers to the measurement across the inside of the available space within the shackle. This width is measured at 30 millimeters. This padlock has approximately 30 millimeters of available clearance width within the shackle. The next measurement will be the clearance height. This is the same internal measurement of the shackle, but this time vertically, to give the available height, approximately 38 millimeters of clearance height. The next measurement you will need is the shackle thickness. As you would expect, this refers to how thick the shackle is at its widest point. This is approximately a 10 millimeter thick shackle. The next measurement will be the overall height of the padlock. This includes the shackle and is measured from top to bottom or bottom to top to give the overall height. In this case, around 90 millimeters of overall height. And finally, you need the thickness of the padlock body. At its widest point, this padlock body is approximately 20 millimeters in thickness. And those are the basic measurements required to identify a suitable replacement padlock.